you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 in Apex Legends, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and get back into the game. Step 1. Restart your game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the game servers and resolve temporary issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends server status page or the social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is unstable, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Change your region. In the game settings, try changing your matchmaking region. Sometimes connecting to a different server can help you bypass the error and improve your matchmaking experience. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Matchmaking Error 2025 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.